The best way to translate the phrase I don't think so in Italian is,
Non penso.
which literally means I don't think.
Non penso. Non
Is used to give a negative sense to the sentence, especially in front of a verb. It's the equivalent of not in English.
penso.
Is the first person singular present form of the verb
Pensare.
to think. As is often the case, the first personal pronoun
Io
can be omitted. In Italian, there's no equivalent for the English word so when it's used to refer back to something previously mentioned. This is why it's sufficient to say non penso on its own.
Abbiamo abbastanza tempo secondo te? No, non penso.
Do you think we have enough time? No, I don't think so. In order to help the phrase sound more emphatic, Italians often include adverbs like
Proprio
or,
mica.
both of which mean at all or really in this context.
Non penso proprio. Non penso mica.
I don't think so at all. I really don't think so. If you want to complete the sentence, you can place the conjunction
Che.
which means that, after non penso, followed by the main clause. For example,
Non penso che ci sia abbastanza tempo.
I don't think that there's enough time. Another very common way of saying I don't think so in Italian is,
Non credo.
which literally translates as I don't believe. Two other alternatives that mean exactly the same thing are,
Penso di no.
literally, I think no, and
Credo di no.
literally, I believe no. Note that, unlike non penso and non credo, neither of these phrases can be used with che plus a clause.
Vieni con noi stasera? Penso di no. Ho troppo da fare.
Are you coming with us tonight? I don't think so. I have too much to do.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.